Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can put curls with the help of curlers. So our first step is to thoroughly comb your hair because it will help you to entangle your hairs and you can easily make your segments. You can also straighten your hair before curling. It will give a very smooth texture or effect to your hair, but I am not using a straightener. Second step which I used to do is to apply leave-on before applying curls, so it will give a glossy effect to your hairs and your hairs will look more glossy and it will not look dull or dry. I will not apply this to my roots, I will only apply this to my strands or lower part of hairs only. After applying leave-on, I have divided my hairs into two equal segments and I have took a big strand from the end to get it curl, and I have put a clip on rest of my first segment. Now I switch on my curler. It has a big tong, so it will give a loose curls effect. Now my method of curling is to put the edge of my hair into the clip and roll the bob hairs upward, and then I have keep it for 30 seconds and then remove that strand from curler. Now I will took the same amount of hair for other strand and clip the rest of hairs at top. Now I will further divide that segment into two halves to make my curls more obvious. Then I will took my curler and clip it from the edge and then roll it upward. I am doing this method because it will help to keep my hand protected from the tong, and in this way I don't need to touch the tong. Because if you put your hairs from upward and turn it in inwards, then there are more chances that you will touch the tong and your hands may get burned. Now similarly I will took the third segment which I don't curl yet, so I will put it from edge and turn it upward and leave it for 30 seconds or 45 seconds, and then I will took it off from my curler. Now I took another big chunk of my hair for curl, and then you have to keep this in mind that you have to put the rest of your hair or you have to clip them at top because it will mix it with the rest of your hairs, and the hairs which are already curled you have to put them at back. Now again the same method, clip it from edge, roll it upward, leave it for 30 or 45 seconds and then remove your hair from curler. Now only my two segments are left from this side, so I'm going to do this segment first. Took from edge, roll it upward, and then I will leave it for 30 or 45 seconds depending on the texture of my hair. That sometime it will take more time or sometime it will curl in 30 seconds as well. Now this is the method how you can remove. You have to gently unroll it and took off your curler from your hairs. Now I will took my front layer or front flake which height was approximately closer to my chin, so it's important to curl it as well. So I am going to curl this but only the lower half because it will give a great effect to your hairs because your curls will come in the layering. Keep your heating appliances 2 or 3 inches away from your roots because it can harm your roots or roots of hair. So you have to make sure that your heating appliances remain 2 inches away from your roots. As you can see that I have completed curling my one side which looks so nice, so I am doing the same with my other side. So I have took one segment from the back of my hair to get it curled, so I will do the same with first strand. So I will took the another strand and I will put it in clip from the edge and roll it upward and do the same process which I have done on other side. On curler and other heating appliances, there are option of increasing or decreasing heat, but my suggestion is that you have to keep that heat at medium level, because if that heat is too high, then it can harm your hairs and it could damage your hairs. After getting it curled, removing your strand from curler is also very important. The method is same, that you have to gently unroll it, and make sure that you have to enroll it in that way that your curl will remain intact and your curl will remain at the same place where you want to make it. My two strands are left on this side. Now I will roll to my last big strand. I will keep it for 30 or 45 seconds, and then I will remove it gently to make sure that my curl will remain intact. So now I am curling my first or smallest flick. Now my third and last step is to set it with the help of a hair setting spray. I am using a Nova hair setting spray, and I will only spray it at my lower edges where I have put my loose curls. So here my loose curl will remain intact. Now I am going to the wedding of my friend, so I am wearing few jewelry. I wear these bangles, and now I'm going to wear these earrings, which is going along with this dress so well. Here you can see that loose curls look so nice with the traditional dresses, and you can also make loose curls with western dresses as well. So hope you have liked this hair curling tutorial, and I will see you in my next video, and please consider subscription if you find this helpful. Bye.